The nap alarm is a life-saving device. It will keep you from nodding off while you're driving. Here is the on and off switch. Place the nap alarm over your ear and turn the switch to the on position. When your head nods forward, it sounds an alarm to instantly wake you and alert your passengers. The nap alarm is not only for drivers, it is also perfect for people who need to be fully alert while on duty. For example, security guards, machine operators, and even students while studying. This 4-in-1 auto emergency tool should be a standard in every car. It can be used as a super bright flashlight, a blinking emergency light, window breakage hammer, and a seatbelt cutter. Unscrew the bottom of the flashlight and insert 2 AA batteries, which are included. Then replace the cover. To use, turn on the flashlight. Press once for the emergency light. Press again for emergency and flashlight. Press again for it to go off. Press twice for just the flashlight. If your car is submerged or if you are trapped inside your car, strike the metal point, which is located on the side of the flashlight, against the window. This will safely shatter the window so you can escape. You can also use a seatbelt cutter if you're trapped in your car. There is a blade located underneath the side of the flashlight. Slide the seatbelt against the blade to cut the seatbelt. This is a 1/2 ounce, 10% oleoresin capsicum pepper spray with a visor clip so you can keep a pepper spray handy in your car. It easily slides onto your vehicle's sun visor. The effects of this pepper spray are the same as the other pepper spray in your kit. To use this pepper spray, hold the can in the upright position. Turn the actuator to release the safety. Point the can at an attacker's face and firmly press the actuator. After spraying the attacker, immediately drive away and seek help. You will get approximately 6 to 10 half-second sprays with an effective range of 6 to 8 feet. Please read the instructions included in the product manual. This is a hidden safe built inside a can of engine degreaser. It's a great place to hide your valuables. It looks just like the real thing and is even weighted to feel full. To use your engine degreaser safe, unscrew the bottom of the can, store your valuables in the secret compartment, replace the bottom, and keep inside your glove compartment or the trunk of your vehicle. This mini flashlight is very handy to keep in your vehicle. I'm sure you'll find many uses for it. First, unscrew the bottom and insert 3 AAA batteries, which are included. Screw the cap back on and it's ready to be used. Press the button located at the bottom of the light to turn on and off. This is a 1/2 ounce, 10% oleoresin capsicum pepper spray. It comes with a keychain and quick key release so you can easily remove it from your keys. To separate your keys from the pepper spray, push the button in the center of the quick key release and pull apart. Pepper spray has serious effects. It causes pain, inflammation of the eyes, nose, and upper respiratory system. It will induce coughing, choking, and nausea, as well as dilating the eyes, causing temporary blindness. The mucous membranes will swell, making it difficult to breathe, leaving your attacker helpless. Effects will last approximately 45 minutes. Now to use this pepper spray, hold the can in the upright position. Turn the actuator to release the safety. Point the can at an attacker's face and firmly press the actuator. After spraying the attacker, immediately run for help. You will get approximately 6 to 10 half-second sprays with an effective range of 6 to 8 feet. Avoid accidental contact with eyes, skin, or mucous membranes. If contact is made, flush the affected area with cool water. Do not rub your skin and do not use any creams, salves, or soap. After you rinse the skin, move to an area with fresh air. The effects will generally disappear after 45 minutes, but call your doctor if symptoms persist. The contents are under pressure, so don't puncture or incinerate the can. Also, do not store above 120 degrees Fahrenheit.